subtraction, vertical subtraction we have to do over here. The first question is 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6, that is
9.
3, and 5 minus 1, that is 4.
4.
So answer is 43. Now subtract 7 from 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 1 is, that is 2. 21 is the answer. 5 minus 2 is
Answer
3, and 8 minus 1, that is 7.
7.
3 minus 1, 2.
3
2 minus
minus
1,
1,
1.
2.
Now 9 cannot be subtracted, so you can take from borrowed from 5, it becomes 12, and 5 become 4. So 12 minus 9, that is 3, and 4 minus 1, that is 3. 33. Here, give 1 to 3, 4 become 3, and 3 become 13. 13 minus 7, 6. Answer is 36. Give 1 to this 5, it become 4. This become 15. 15 minus 6, that is 9. And 4 minus 3, that is 1. Give 1, it become 18. This becomes 6. 18 minus 9, 9. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Give 1 here. This become 8, become 7. 16 minus 7,
Sir,
that is 9.
sir,
And 7 minus 4, that is 3. So 39. So rest question you can do as homework.
sir,
Note down please.
I have complete, sir. I have complete, sir.
Written. Now next question. Test your progress. So this is word problem. Read the question carefully. A company manufactured 54 bulbs in a month. 17 of them were found defective. Find the number of bulbs with no defect. So
The page
total
number
number of
13
bulbs are
करना.
54. So 54 you write here.
Sir,
And number of
number
defective
13.
bulbs, you remove it. So 17 bulbs are defective.
Book में.
Find the number of bulbs not defective, has no defects. So 14 minus 7, that is 7. And 4 minus 1, that is 37. So 37 bulbs having no defects. So number of no defects bulb is equal to 37, you can write.
सर पेज नंबर 13 करना है
Okay.
नोटबुक में. पेज नंबर 13 करना है नोटबुक में.
Now so see question next one. A pet store has 105 animals. If 65 them are sold, find the number of remaining animals. If 55 you will sell, so how many are left? Subtract and find out.
Sir,
Minus 65 you write. Total is 5 minus 5 0 and 10 minus 6, that is 40 are the remaining animals.
book
So how
में
many remaining animals are? 40. नोट कर लीजिए. आपकी आवाज आज नहीं आ रही.
I have complete, sir.
I am not able to listen your voice.
सर पेज नंबर 13 निकलना है नोटबुक में.
हेलो. हाँ आ गई अब. यस
सर पेज नंबर निकलना है नोटबुक में.
यस बेटी. इतनी देर बाद आवाज चालू हुई, पता नहीं क्या हो गया था. कर लिया? हटा दें?
दीदी
अब क्या हो गया? See the next question. There were 26 working days in a month, and Rajat went to school only 19 days. For how many days he remains absent? The total number of days are working 26 और number of present days 19 है रजत का. 26 minus 19, 16 minus 9, 7, 1 minus 1, 0. The total how many days remain absent is 7. So absent days are 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, a milkman had 47 buffaloes. How many buffaloes? 47. He sold 25 buffaloes. So 47 minus 25. 7 minus 5, that is 2. 4 minus 2, that is 2. So how many left buffaloes? Left buffaloes are 22. Okay. Note down please.
I am complete, sir.
I have completed. बोलो. I have completed. Next question. Ayush bought 74 kg of rice. So here you write 74 kg and 34 used. So 34 kg you have to subtract. So 4 minus 4, that is 0. 7 minus 3, that is 40 kg. 40 kg will be remaining or left. 40 kg. Write down please. Kapil is reading a book of 94 pages. So how many pages he read out? 94. He has read 63 pages. 63 pages read. सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट पेजेस? 4 minus 3 that is 1. 9 minus 6 that is 3. So 31 pages to be read. Done? Completed? Complete soon, hurry up. Okay? Now counting in 6. You have to 6 1 ja 6. 6 table you know?
16 the tall.
6 3 ja 18. 6 4 ja
24.
6 5 ja
6 5 is 30.
6 6 ja
36.
6 7 ja
6 7
6 8
42.
ja
6 8 48.
6 9 ja
54.
6 10 ja 60. फिर 11 6 जा 66. ऐड कर दो 6 प्लस 6 70.
66.
ठीक है, होमवर्क में है ये. ओके बेटा, इतना कर लो. टुमारो वी विल डिस्कस इन डिटेल. कर लोगी? थैंक यू. बाय.
Good evening, sir. Thank you, sir.